This Odoo training video is prepared by Unicom ERP, a division of Easy to Learn company, an Odoo partner. If you need any Odoo support, please feel free to contact us. The solution provided here is a customized solution for Saudi Arabia. In this video, we are going to discuss how we can create a purchase order in Odoo 17. Any purchase made in Odoo 17 have a purchase order regardless of which is created through a request for quotation or a direct purchase order. Go to Purchase module. First of all, let's look at the creation of vendor. Go to Orders, Vendors. We can create the vendor as an individual or a company. If you select an individual vendor, ensure to specify the associated company and fill out all required details. Enter the company name. You can give the company details such as address, VAT number, phone, mobile, and other details. Under Contact Us tab, you can add multiple contact and addresses for this particular vendor. Under Sales and Purchases tab, we can set the buyer, payment terms, etc. If needed, you can enable the receipt reminder option if you want to send the vendor a reminder email before the receipt date. If you want to add a separate currency for the vendor, you can give it under supplier currency. There are also sections such as sales, point of sale, fiscal information, etc. Here, if needed, you can add the details here. Under Accounting tab, we can add the bank account of the vendor and account number. Next to it, we can Accounting Entries section. Below that, the accounts receivable and accounts payable will be set as default accounts created. So, whenever an entry will be posted related to this customer, it will go this general account receivables and payables accounts. Instead of this, we can also create specific receivables and payables accounts for each customer. If there are any internal notes to be provided here. Now let's move to the creation of quotation and purchase order. Go to Orders, Request for Quotation. Click on New button. You can fill up the vendor field using the drop-down menu available. The drop-down menu will display all vendors that is available in the Odoo system. Odoo allows you to create his records from here itself. Here you can provide the vendor reference. This is considered as the reference of the sale order sent by the vendor. It is used to do the matching when you receive the products, as this reference is usually written on the delivery order sent by your vendor. You have to select an order deadline, can be mentioned here, within which the purchase order should be confirmed. Similarly, the expected arrival can be allocated. This date is used to determine the expected arrival of products. If you enable the Ask Confirmation option, the system will automatically send a confirmation email to the vendor some days before the expected receipt date. In Deliver to Field, provide the operation type. Now we can add a product that you want to purchase using the drop-down menu available. The drop-down menu will display all the items available in the Odoo system. If it is a new item, Odoo allows you to create it from here itself. Set the quantity here. We can set the unit price if it is not given in product level. Here we can view tax column. You can see for this product we have set a default vendor tax as 15%. The Add Note is a useful feature to add any notes for this order. You can also create separate sections for this order using Add a Section option. Here under Other Information, you can do the payment term and fiscal position in the vendor form. You can set the purchase representative for this order, and here we can add any source document, then you can define your terms and conditions. Now let's look at how to add additional costs or landed costs in this order. Click on Add a Product option and select the product that is configured as landed cost. Click on the internal link and go to Product Configuration. The product must be created as a service. Under the Purchase tab, there is a checkbox next to is a landed cost in the vendor bills section. By enabling this, the product can be used as an additional cost in the purchase order. Now go back to the RFQ. You have the option to print the RFQ or send it by email to the vendor. Now confirm the order. Now the RFQ is converted to a purchase order. Now we can receive items by clicking the Receive Products button. This will open a new window. Here we can see the destination location to which the goods will be received. Under the Operation tab, you can see the product details. To add the serial number against the product, click here. Here we have the option to add the lot or serial number. Give the desired number and save it. This is how a serial number is added to a product at the event of purchase. Then click Date to confirm it. Now the receipt is done. Now we can create bill for this order. Go back to the purchase order. Bill can be created before receiving the products or after receiving, but that depends upon the vendor bill policy. We can create the bills for vendor by clicking the Create Bill button in the purchase order screen. Then it will open new window for bill creation. Here we can see a button Create Landed Cost. Now it will open a new window for the creation of landed cost. We can see the details of landed cost we have given. Select the receipt information of the purchase order from the drop-down list. After verifying, click on the Validate button. Now the landed cost is confirmed and validated. Go back to the bill. Here we can see the landed cost. Now you need to select the bill date, bank account details of vendor, payment terms, etc. After filling all details, you can click the Confirm button. Now the vendor bill is created against the purchase order. So, this is all about creation of a purchase order in Odoo 17. Thank you.